Let's make some maple chicken wings today. Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. Today we're gonna make another super simple recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna love this because it's maple syrup chicken wings. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Let's get started. So I have here about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, and we're gonna season it with salt. Then we're just gonna flip to another side, and we're gonna season with salt again. And here I have some black pepper. You can also use white pepper if you want to. Season it, and then we're gonna flip. And we're gonna season it again on this side. To make the sauce, we're gonna add in the soy sauce, rice vinegar, rice wine, maple syrup, and you can replace the maple syrup with honey or just plain sugar, or any type of syrup that you have at home is fine too, and garlic. And let's mix it a little. Now in a pan over high heat, we're gonna add the vegetable oil. And we're gonna add in the chicken wings. So on every side, we're gonna brown it for about 2 minutes. Yep, so we can just wait for 2 minutes here. Okay, so now we can turn our chicken. Look at how beautiful they are. So when you brown the chicken, I can guarantee you it tastes so much better than when you're not browning them. You can also give it a try yourself. Now I'm just gonna pour in the sauce and just gonna let it cook for about a minute. And then cover the lid. Then we're gonna turn to medium-low heat and just let it cook for about 15 minutes. And I'm also gonna flip the wings a few times in between. So yep, let's turn the wings to the other side. And here I'm just gonna cover it up and let it continue to cook. If you don't have any wings, you can also replace it with other type of meat. For example, you can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts. But for me, I think personally, with the skin, it will taste a lot better. But let me know your opinion on this, whether you like it with the skin or without the skin. Comment below and let me know. So that was super quick and super easy, right? Wow, these chicken wings looks amazing. So let's give it a try. I would normally use hands, but just for the presentation of today, maybe I think I should use forks and knives. But anyhow, all right. Look at that. Wow. This is so amazing. Like, it's kind of sweet and nice. I feel like I'm eating this savory dessert. It's just so amazing, so good. So yummy. Alright, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and share this awesome video with your friends and family. And again, I hope that everyone is safe and sound. That's it for today. Bye now! 继续吃。哇，用手吃起来应该会比较过瘾的。哇，好赞哦，好赞的鸡翅。好棒，好棒。干干净净的，好棒，好棒。OK， 好啦，我吃了3个，可以收工啦。